Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Which constitutional amendment act was given to Sikkim as the full state of the Union of India? Your right answer is 36th constitutional amendment. Option B is your correct answer. In relation to physical health, which were define the person ability to change direction? Your right answer is enlightenment. Option B is your correct answer. What is defined as the magnitude of the runoff velocity on the electric field per unit? Your right answer is mobility. Option A is your correct answer. For a brief change in momentum, a heavy force working for a short time is called dash. Your right answer is impulsive force. Option D is your correct answer. Who started the Ahmadiyya movement? Your right answer is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. Option C is your correct answer. Economic activities in which natural resources such as agriculture, forestry, fisheries, etc. are used directly. Your right answer is primary area. Option C is your correct answer. Aksai Chin is located in which state? Your right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Option D is your correct answer. In which area of India did gold digging? Your right answer is Salur. Option C is your correct answer. The collision in which the two particles operate simultaneously after concussion are called. Your right answer is full inelastic concussion. Option D is your correct answer. Who was the founder of the newspaper Indian Opinion? Your right answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Option A is your correct answer. The author of the book Wealth of Nations? Your right answer is Adam Smith. Option C is your correct answer. Which committee is of semi-judicial nature? Your right answer is Privileges Committee. Option B is your correct answer. F1 race is related to which of the following personalities is Sebastian Vettel? Your right answer is Germany. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following committees recommended the policy of democratic decentralization? Your right answer is Balwant Mehta Committee. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is a dwarf planet? Your right answer is Pluto. Option D is your correct answer. In which of the following religion is the mention of 4 Arya Satyas for achieving Nirvana? Your right answer is Buddhism. Option C is your correct answer. How much time can be banned by the Rajya Sabha on the money bill? Your right answer is 14th day. Option B is your correct answer. In the intestinal mucosal epithelium, which cell secrete mucus? Your right answer is goblet cell. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is called god of medicine? Your right answer is Dhanvantar. Option D is your correct answer. Where is the famous Mahabodhi temple located? Your right answer is Bodh Gaya. Option C is your correct answer. Who is the author of the book Lilavati? Your right answer is Bhasacharya. Option C is your correct answer. Which tree is found in tropical deciduous forest? Your right answer is sandalwood. Option D is your correct answer. Name the separate entity that control the symptoms in the rule of effectiveness. Your right answer is factors. Option C is your correct answer. Worldwide investment is called MNCs. Your right answer is foreign investment. Option C is your correct answer. The budget mentioned in the constitution is called. Your right answer is annual financial statement. Option C is your correct answer. Who was the chairman of the National Commission to review the functioning of the constitution? Your right answer is Monopoly Narayan Rao Venkatachalya. Option B is your correct answer. National Waterway number 1 flow between those areas in the Ganges. Your right answer is Allahabad and Haldia. Option A is your correct answer. Khadar belt is known in the plains of Punjab and Haryana. Your right answer is Wetland. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following rivers is not an international river? Your right answer is Mahanadi. Option B is your correct answer. When an organism is divided by a plane from the central axis, that organ divides into two homogeneous parts. It is called dash. Your right answer is radial symmetry. Option C is your correct answer. Where is the first section of the Indian National Congress held? Your right answer is Bombay. Option C is your correct answer. Basavana followers were called. Your right answer is Biraj. Option A is your correct answer. Who discovered the US? Your right answer is Christopher Columbus. Option B is your correct answer. In cyclical structure of glucose, what is the cyclic organic composition made from the oxygen molecule and the sum of the 5 carbon molecules? Your right answer is pyrene. Option B is your correct answer. Which country has hosted the first football World Cup? Your right answer is Uruguay. Option A is your correct answer. The international date line passes through which strait? Your right answer is Bering Strait. Option A is your correct answer. The word shake hand grip is related to which game? Your right answer is table tennis. Option D is your correct answer. Which system of choice is known by the majority system? Your right answer is most wanted person victory. Option B is your correct answer. Or past of the post. Option B is your correct answer. Who was the first Englishman to win the Indian Open Golf Tournament of 2018? Your right answer is Mort Wallace. Option B is your correct answer. What kind of fraternity has been ensured in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is integrity and integrity of the person's dignity and nation. Option D is your correct answer. Who gave the slogan return to the Vedas? Your right answer is Dayananda Saraswati. Option D is your correct answer. Which acid is used in the construction of nylon 66? Your right answer is adipic acid. Option C is your correct answer. Can the amendment of money bill be done by whom? Your right answer is only by the Lok Sabha. Option D is your correct answer. When was the Human Development Index first published? Your right answer is 1990. Option A is your correct answer. Which Mughal ruler had implemented the Manasavari system? Your right answer is Akbar. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is known by the name of Oceania? Your right answer is Australia. Option C is your correct answer. The electron added with the highest principal quantum number along with the electronic shell is called dash. Your right answer is valence electron. Option D is your correct answer. Which of this color is not used in the Olympic flag? Your right answer is brown. Option B is your correct answer. What does the term growth mean in economics? Your right answer is economic growth. Option D is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class, question of 50. Which of the following is done by Panchayat and Corporation election organized by whom? Your right answer is State Election Commission. Option B is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.